Good morning and good afternoon. Sanding Boy is back. I've completed the job, but I don't have any paint, so we'll try and figure something out. I'm wearing my Blackhawks hat tonight, but they lost tonight. Oh well. They'll win again. We all know they will. So how have you been? How have you been? Because I miss you. Well, we're going to do something special real quick. Just to go over real quick, this is the job I completed. Yeah, hi everyone. I'm back. Oh my God, I can't believe it. This is the job. These are the new blinds I put up. This is where I've been staying. Here's my wonderful bed I've been sleeping in. There's no closet, so I decided to do this. Do the roll-out thing. Put your clothes on the thing and roll it back into the closet. Real good idea, isn't it? It's special. Yeah, it's wonderful. So here we go. Will Rock's on again, so that's special. Yeah, look at it. It's beautiful. Here's the staircase going down. Look at that. It's beautiful. Yeah, hi everyone. I missed you. I missed you so much. Well, I'm not painting right now, but we have something else to do. We'll figure it out, won't we? Take off the hat. Who gives a crap about the shirt? 95. Will Rock. Well, we got something else going on here. Look. Yeah, is that wonderful? What else could I do? I have no idea. It looks absolutely crazy. What's going on? Well, it's salad dressing because I'm not painting right now, but I have to come up with something. And let me just take, I already have salad dressing in my bowl here. Look, let's paint my whole face with it. Ooh. What else too? Because it's not paid, so I can eat it. It tastes good, actually. Well, good morning, good evening, and good night. That's all I can do for you tonight. I don't know what else to say, but I figured I'd give you another episode, so whatever, and blah, 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 blah. If you don't like it, don't watch it.